Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to my channel. I am Misbah Ghulam Abbas, and you are watching Mishi Arts, the world of crafts. Today, we are going to learn how to crochet this flower earrings. That is very easy, and they look very beautiful. So, for this, you will be needing yarn or thread. I am over here using cotton thread that is of anchor, and you will be needing a tapestry needle. This is the for earring. You will be needing notion for the earrings, and you'll be needing a pair of scissors, and over here I am using 2 mm hook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we are going to take our brown color thread, and as the yarn is very thin, so I am using double strand of the thread. So we are going to start with the center part, and for that we are going to make a magic circle, and in this magic circle we will make chain 1, and now into this magic circle we will make 6 half double crochets. We will make 6 single crochets. I'm so sorry, I'm repeating. I'm going to make 6 single crochets. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the 6th one. After making 6, we are going to close our magic ring, and now we are going to work in spiral. We are not going to finish or complete this round. We are not going to slip stitch. Instead, we are going to make a single crochet into the back loop of our first stitch. So this is our first single crochet, and we are going to work into the back loop only. So we are going to make 2 single crochets into the back loop of the first stitch. If you want, you can also put a stitch marker over here into your first stitch to remember that you have made, this is the first stitch of our second round. But you can also count like this, that you have made 6 in the first round, so you have to make 12 in the second round. So we have done 2, and now into the next we are going to make 2 single crochets. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have worked into our 6 single crochets, and our round 2 is complete, and it will look something like this. This is our first stitch of the second round, and we are going to start the third round. And over here we will make 2 single crochets into the first stitch and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So in total we will have 18 stitches at the end of this round. So 1 single crochet, now 2 single crochets into the next. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So our round 3 is complete, and after the completion of our round 3, this looks something like this. Moving on to the last round, and in this round we will be making 1 single crochet into the back loop, 1 single crochet into the back loop of next stitch, and into the third stitch we are going to increase and we will make 2 single crochets. So in total we will have 24 stitches. 1, 2, and now into the third one we are going to make 2 single crochets. So we have 4 total. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now listen to me. I have completed the 4th round, and after completion it looks something like this. And now I am going to make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, and into the third one I am going to make a single crochet. Again chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and into the third one I am going to make a single crochet. In this way we are going to continue and make the boxes. After making these boxes of 3 chains, we are going to slip stitch into the last stitch. But what we have to do, we have to join another yarn, another color for the petals, and I am going to join it at this point. So how to join? I'm going to put my hook, insert the thread of the other color and slip stitch like this, and now make a slip stitch into the first 3 chain space and chain 3. Now we are starting the petals. So after making chain 3 we are going to make 4 double crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once you have made 4 double crochets, we are going to chain 3 and slip stitch over here. Slip stitch into the second chain space, chain 3 and work 4 double crochets. 2, 3 and 4. After that, chain 3 and slip stitch into the same. Slip stitch into the next chain 3 space, and in this way continue making till the end. Once you have made all the petals, slip stitch over here and leave a long tail, because we have to attach the notion to it. Okay, so once you have fastened off, remember you also have to cut these extra yarns that were, and this is what we did of our magic ring. So look, I have attached the notion to it and now they are ready, and how beautiful they look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you really like it, and please share with your friends and keep watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day. Bye.